Because you already saw the close-up of how I do this, I'm just going to do it live with you, because it's essentially the same process. This is super easy, super simple. I'm going to take out my little chalkboard plates. I'll have to wash them and use them later. I have a trash bag down here. I'm not putting this on the floor. Pull out these nasty, rotten pieces of vegetation here. Yeah, this was a disappointment. So what did you guys think of part 1 of the video? I decided to divide it into 2 parts because it was just getting too long. So yeah, leave in the comments below what you thought of part 1, and if you'd like me to do more of these, because as you can see, I love plants as well as baking. But you know, in quarantine times, try to be a bit more moderate in the calorie department. Okay. Whoa, we're getting dirt everywhere. Okay, let's put this little guy in here. Happy little fellow. Digging in the dirt with my fingers. Let me see if I can move the camera down a little bit so you can see. There we go. Going to move some of that dirt. Put him in. Gently moving it back and forth. Gentle pressing to make him nice and firm. There we go. Happy little guy. And then put the dirt around on top. To secure it, just tap it down a little bit more. And there we go. All fixed. Like Bob Ross the painter said, there's no mistakes, just happy little accidents. So we can fix this happy accident right here, very quickly, in just a couple minutes, better than new. Okay, now time for the other side. Going to dig in there, make sure you do not dig up the plastic bag, or that watertight seal that you made before will be broken. Just going to dig around with our fingers. I mean, there's no manicures anyway these days to ruin, so just get in there. A little bit of dirt never hurt anyone. And then tip the pot over and pull out our chives. There we go. Got him in there. Be careful of the other plants when you do this. Carefully press. It's better to have consistent pressure than to have sudden, forceful pressure. So just gradually work him in there. There we go. Happy little guy. Okay. This oregano, I think I overwatered him. Maybe. Something else, I was actually watching another YouTube video on another channel about how to know when to water your plants, because I'm a chronic overwaterer. Perhaps some of you are as well. I drink a lot of water because I need it to stay hydrated and healthy and all that, and to control my headaches. So I guess I just intrinsically think plants need a lot of water too. I don't know, I'm guessing, maybe psychologically that's why I always tend to overwater my plants. So yeah, it turns out your plants don't need nearly as much water as you think they do. Which is good, actually. Well, in the wild, it doesn't rain a lot. So, stands to reason. It's something to remember, to always, yeah, look up other videos on YouTube. But essentially what I learned was the finger test. Like, this is technically overwatered. Like, I do not need to water it right now because it sticks to my fingers. But if it like sticks to your finger this much, then it's time to water it. That's basically it, the finger test. How dirty does your finger get when you stick it in the dirt? So if you don't like sticking your fingers in dirt, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you to do. Stick around on my channel. Maybe I'll find something and post another video about it. Okay, yeah, and we'll get rid of that poor dead parsley as well. Rest in peace, or at least in the compost. And we'll dig around and put this new little friend in. Some more wild onions. Okay, there we go. And within 5 minutes, we have taken a very sad looking little garden. That's what I like to call this, my kitchen garden. Because I live in an apartment, so space is an issue. It's not available. Yeah, I had a very sad looking garden, and now it looks very happy and useful. I will simply wash these signs. Well, this parsley one I can just stick right here. There we go. Happy little parsley. Just stick it right there, and yeah, I'll wash these off because they are chalkboards. So you can simply wash them with, I use dish soap. I probably shouldn't say the brand because I'm not sponsored, but a very well-known and very effective dish soap. And it comes right off. You let it dry completely. You can write on it again, no problem. Okay, and there we go. All done. Hooray! Successful, beautiful, happy kitchen garden ready to go again. Perfectly portable and light. Thank you so much for watching my video. I was very happy to have you join me today. If you have any suggestions or other things you'd like to see me do or attempt, let me know. I'll see you there. Goodbye.